So when I press on the start 1, I can use start 2 to stop it. Okay, now that I've used start 2 to stop it, I can use start 3 to start it again. Alright? Okay? Equally, I've moved from start 3. I've come back all the way to start 1. I can stop it there by de-energizing this one, like this. So these are the relays, okay? Yeah, so this is R1. The two of them are R1, okay? Because of the contacts, that's why I power them, okay? I will power them to be R1 so that I'll get more contacts. This is R2, okay? And then R3, as we have on the diagram, okay? R1, R2, and then R3, all right? And then here we have our overload, okay? And then the contactor. So this is our overload, okay? And then the contactor. We have stop 1, start 1, okay? So stop 1, all right? And then start 1. Stop 2, start 2. So stop 2, okay? And then start 2, all right? Stop 3, then start 3. Stop 3, and then start 3, all right? So these are the push buttons and then the relays, all right? So we are going to begin the wiring, okay? All right. So we begin from line 1 to come to 95 of the overload, okay? So this is our line 1, all right? It will come to 95 of the overload. So this is our overload, and then we have the 95, okay, 96. So 95. These are the normally closed section, okay? Normally close, all right? Yeah. Then from 96 to come to stop 1, the one side of stop 1 side. So this is our stop 1, all right? So let's use this black cable, okay? Yeah. So this side, that is the 96, the 96, okay, to come to one side, that is the 1, this is the 1, so this side, yeah, and then from the stop, it is going to start 1, the 3. This is start 1, this side, okay? And from the down, it is going to relay 1 coil. So this relay 1, okay? These are the coil, this side, okay? Here and here. This and then this, okay? So A1, A2, A1, A2. Let's use small cable to power them, okay? So they will all energize at the same time, okay? Serving us R1 because of more contacts, okay? Yeah. So now they are 1, and then from this side the 4 to come to R1, okay? So let me take a cable. Okay, so to come to the R1, all right, so I'll open the same place, okay. Okay, yes, so we are done with this side, okay. Let's do the hold on, all right. So you tap from the 3 on the start button to an open contact on the R1, okay. All right, so this is the 3, this side, all right, the top here, okay. Okay, then to come to one side of the open contact, okay, so let's use the first one, this side, the down here, okay, is the common side of this relay. It is 14 pin relay, 14, okay. 4, the top here is 4, the down here is also 4, so 4 times 3 to give you 12. Then this are the coil contacts, okay, 13, 14, so it is a 14 pin relay, all right. So this side is the common side, the down here, okay. So this one, it is, and this side is the normally closed side, normally closed, the top here, the down here is the normally open. So if you want to use normally closed contact or normally open contact, okay, you are come to use normally open contact. So you use that down here and then this side, okay. If you want to use normally closed contact, it should be down here and then the top here. But now we are using normally open, hold on contacts. This one, okay. So we are going to use the down here, the common side, and then the open side down here, okay. So let's place it here. Now we are done with the top here, left with down here, okay. So the same start button, the 4 to the relay, the 14 on the other side, okay. So this side, let's use a long cable. So this side, okay. Kindly watch the video to the end, okay, if you want to understand this circuit well, all right. Okay, then this one will come to the other side. That is the open side, okay, the down here, all right. Okay, so now we are done with this side, all right. So let's start from here, okay, from the overload matrices, or from the stop button 1 to the second stop button, all right. Okay, let me start from this side, okay, that is here, the stop side, the bottom side. I'll not start from the overload, this side, okay. So let me open here. Okay, now it will go to stop 2, okay. So this is our stop 2, this is our stop 2, all right. So 1 and 2, you see that the close section, the close symbol, okay. So this side, Okay. And then from there to go to, from the other side to go to start 2, 3. So this is our start 2, all right? So let's use another cable. So from the other side, okay, to go to the start 2, okay, one side, so this side, okay, 13, 14, but it is 23, 24. They are all open contact. Okay. I said all open contacts are between 3 and 4, and then close contacts are between 1 and 2. Okay, so any number that will have 1 and 2 attached, it means a close contact. 1 and 2, 11 and 12, 21, 22, they are all close contacts. 3 and 4, 13, 14, 23, 24, they are all open contacts, and so forth. Okay, so from down here, the 4, to go to R2 curl. So this is down here, all right? Okay, this is R2, okay? R2, let me power them first. Let me put this one there. And this one also come to this side. This R2, okay? So now it's left with, yeah, hold on, okay? So from the 3, the start 3, to open contact on the relay. From here. Okay. Okay. Then from the other side, the 4 or the 24, here is 24. Okay, 24. Yeah. So that is here. From this side, okay, this side, to go to the 4. So let's pick another cable. So we are done with this side, okay? Left with this side, right? So you tap from on the stop 2 to stop 3 here, okay? So this is the stop 2, all right? So this side, tap from this side, okay? stop 3. This is stop 3, okay? One side, all right? One side, so any of this side. Okay, and then from the other side, okay? It's going to the start. From this side, going to start 3. So let's pick a cable. This is start 3. This side. Okay. Then from this side, the force is going to R3 coil. So this is R3, okay? This is R3, all right? Then parallel them. Then put a cable here. Okay, so this one will go to 3. Okay, the 4, sorry. So now it's left with the hold on, okay? So let's use this cable. So you are doing the hold on, okay? The hold on. Right. Go to this side. Then this side, the 4. To come to this side. Okay. So now we are done with. You're done with the whole of this side, okay? Yeah. We left with the logics. Right? The logics. So we start from the stop 3. 2. R1, close contact. R1, okay? Close contact. This side. Okay. See, from the antithesis of the overload, okay, it came to stop 1. And then we tap from stop 1 to stop 2. Then we also tap from stop 2 to stop 3. So we are going to tap from the stop 3, the input side, okay? These are the input side. 2, the relay 1, normally close. one side of the normally close contact, okay, of relay 1. You see that this side, so you tap from this side, okay. This is the stop 3, as I told you earlier, okay. So this is the main input, so you are going to tap from here, all right, this side. So we are going to use these yellow cables to differentiate the cables, okay. Okay. So this is the relay 1 normally closed section, okay, this side. So let's look at our relay 1. This is the relay 1, okay. Yes, since we parallel them, they are all 1, okay. So let's start using the contact from this one to this one, okay. So we have already used the first line, okay, the first line, this cable, and then this side. So we are going to use the second contact, okay. It is normally close contact. So to come to this side, okay, and then from the other side, okay, it is going to relay 2 normally open contact, okay, on relay 2 from this side. So from this side, okay, because the top one is the normally close, so you use the top one. So now it is going to relay 2, okay, relay 2 normally open contact, all right. So this is the R2. This one too, you have also used, you have used the first line. So let's use the second one, okay. Okay. And then from relay 2, the other side, it goes to relay 3, normally close contact, okay, this side, from here to this side, okay. It is a normally open contact, all right. So we are going to use the down one. Okay, so from this place to relay 3 normally close. So this is our relay 3, okay. This one too, you have used the first line, so let's use this side, okay. That's the second one, normally close. Okay. Okay. So, and then from the relay thread, which is going to contactor coil A1. Okay, so let me name them. All right, this is A1. Let me name the relays. Okay, A1, A2. This side is A1, A2, A1, A2, A1, A2. Alright, but on the relay, okay, it is 1314. 1314, that is the relay coil number, 1314, alright? But generally you use A1 and A2 to represent the coil, okay? So from here, from this side, it goes to the A1 of the contactor coil. So this is our contactor that you are using, okay? These are contactor, right? Then these are the coil terminals, A1, A2. So from the R3 this side, okay, the normally closed side. The top one is the normally closed. The A1 of this contactor. Okay, so we are done with this line, all right? So we are going to wire the R1 coil. Okay, sorry. So we are going to wire the R1 contact, normal close contact, okay? Empower it, the normal open contact on the R3, okay? So let's take a cable. Okay, so that's R1, normally close contact. This one, you see, it is this cable, all right? This one, the second line, okay, this one, and this. So you put the cable here. So we are wiring it in parallel. Okay, so this is the first cable. Okay, so it should be wired with normal open contacts on R3, all right? So let's take our R3. This is R1. Okay, so this is the R3. Okay, I want us to finish the contact on this before we come to this one. So let's take an empty line. So we're going to use the third line, okay? The third line. So to come to the top here. So mean that we avoid this side, okay? This is it, all right? This cable, okay? And then the down here, the R1 down, also go to the R3 down, okay? So let's pick another cable. So you see, these are the cables, okay? So this one, the R1, the down. So the down will be this cable, okay? Okay, this is it, right? To go to the R3, okay? Also the down. This is the first one, okay? And then this will be the down, this side. Okay. So we are done with this side. Left with this side. The R3, on the R3, normally close contact. We wire it in parallel with normally close contact. The R3, normally close contact, okay? To be wired in parallel with normally open contact on R1, right? So that same R3. This is the R3, okay? So let me show you something here. Okay? That is the other side. If you want to identify it clearly, okay, the other side, that went to the contactor coil. So let's trace that one, okay? So this is the contactor coil. Alright, let's trace this cable. Let's trace it, okay? When you trace it, it is this one, okay? The second line, this one, okay? See that? Okay, so we come to this side, alright? Okay, come to this side. All right, so this side will go, you put a cable there to go to one side of the normally open contact on the R1. So let's put a cable here. Okay, so this one, okay, to go to one side of the normally open contact on the R1, okay. So this is the R1, okay. So let's use this one, this side, okay. This normally open contact. See that? Okay, so this is it, okay, this cable, all right, and then the other side, okay, to also go to the R1 open, okay. So the R3, this is the R3, okay. So this is the cable that came, all right, this cable, all right, okay, this is the cable, all right. So this side, all right, this cable, okay, this cable, okay, it came to the coil. So let's see here, it came to the coil, all right. So that is the cable, and then we're going to tap from that place to R1 open contact, okay. Okay, so this is the cable. Okay, then it will also come to the R1 pin contact, this cable, this side, right? So it is the third line, 1, 2, 3. So it's open contact. Okay, 1, 2, then 3. So this one, okay, because it is an open contact. So this one. Okay, so we are done. We are done with this side. All right. Now we tap from this side. Okay. Either here or here, where the main cable came from, the stop 3. Okay, button. Right. So let's locate that one, and we tap it from here, either here or here. Okay. This side will be on the R3 relay. This side will be on the R1 relay. So let's locate here. Okay, so we are going to tap it from R3 relay. Okay, so let's locate it. All right, from our stop 3 button. Okay, this is our stop 3 button. All right, so this cable, this is the main cable. This one, this is stop 3. Okay, and then this is the main cable that came. It went to the R1. Okay, so this is it. This cable, all right, on the R1, and this is it. This side, that is this side. Okay, this side, yeah. Then we tap from that same place. It went to R3. So let's see. You see this one? This is the main cable, and then this cable. Okay, you see that it came to the R3. You see that? All right. Okay, and then this is the open contact. 1, 2, 3. Let's see it. 1, 2, 3. It's open side, open contact, and then this is the other side. So this is the other side, this side. Okay, so we are going to tap from here, and that one is going to be here, this one. Okay, so we open this side. Okay, so this is the cable. Okay, it is going to relay 2, close contact on the relay 2. So okay, let's use a longer cable. So this is the relay 2. Okay, so we have used 2 side. Okay, this one, and this. So let's use the third one. Okay, this side. Okay. And then from it is a normally close contact. So from the other side, if you go to this side, relay 3 open contact. So we are going to start from here. Okay. So it's a close contact. So you tap from the top one. Okay. It's going to relay 3 close contact. This side. Okay. Sorry. Relay 3 open contact. It is going to relay 3 open contact. Okay. So this is relay 3. All right. So we have used 3 of them. 3. Left with only one side here on this relay. Okay. Because I parallel them, they are all 1. So to come to this side. The other side, we go to relay 2 close contact. Okay. Sorry, relay 1. The other side, we go to relay 1. This is it. Okay. R1. All right. Close contact. So here to R1 close contact. So the downward side. All right. Okay. It is going to relay 1 close contact. Okay. This relay 1 close contact. So let's locate the relay 1. That one too, you have only used one side. That one too, you have only used 3 sides. It is left with one side for this relay. Okay. And then from the other side, okay, it will also go to the same contactor 1A1. Okay. Okay, so it is a normally close contact. Okay. So we are going to use the top here. All right. The top here. Okay, and then it is going to the contactor coil A1. So it will also come to the same place. All right. All right. Okay. So now we are done with this line. It is left with the parallel. Okay. So let's locate the R2. Okay. The R2 close contact. the first cable, and then we locate this one too. So okay, then we tap from here to this side. Okay, we're going to parallel this one with this. So R2 close contact, the one that came from the R3. So let's locate the R2. This is the R2, right? Okay, this is the R2. Okay, so now let's see here. This cable came from the R3 contact. Okay, came from the R3 open contact. We tap from there. All right, so this is it. Okay, this is the tap. See that? This is the tap. This one, this cable is the tap. All right, let's see why it is the tap. Because from the other side it came from the R1. So you see, this is the other side, this one. Let's see where it is going. It's going to the R1. You see that? So it means that this is the tap from here to this side to the R2. Okay, all right, so we are going to tap from the R2, the close contact, because it is a close contact. See, you see here, this side, it is at the top. Okay, yes, and then this is it, close contact. All right, so we are going to tap from here to R1 open contact. So this is it. Okay, my next video I will show how to do tagging. All right, how to do tagging. All right, so that when you are doing wiring, it will not confuse you. Okay, yeah, I wanted to use tagging on this, but for the sake of time, so I will do a video on how to tag cables. You reference the cables. Okay, I'll show you that. All right, okay, so from here it will be wired in parallel with R1 open contact. Okay, so let's locate R1. You see this R1. Okay, all the contacts are being used. Okay, we have used all the contacts. So because they are two, I parallel them. So now let's switch over to this contact, this relay. So we have not used the contact. Okay, this is the coil, but the first contact, let's use the first contact. Okay, so this is the R. This is the cable coming from the R2, this one. Okay, so it will be wired in parallel. So to come to this side, okay, you see that, and then this is it. Okay, like this. All right, you see that this is the cable, and then you connect the other side also together. Okay, all right, so let's locate the other side of the relay to this side. Okay, the 3, 1 1 2 3. So 1 2 3, because it's a close contact, so it means that this one. Okay, okay, this one to also go to the other side of the relay 1. So let's trace this cable. Let's trace it. Okay, this is it. Okay, this one. So it is an open contact. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so to come to this side, from here to this side. Okay, so the other side. Okay, down here. So let's put the cable there. Okay, so we are done with this side. Right, now let's come down here. Okay, where for it to be easier, let's locate the cable that came from the R1 contact, the close contact, to the contactor coil. That point, we're going to wire it in power with R2. So let's look at this one first for it to be easier for us. Okay, so the R1 that came to the contactor coil A1. So the contactor coil, now they are two. So let's trace this one. Okay, there are two. One came from R3, one came from R1. So you see this one, let's trace this one. Okay, this one, it is going to R1. So it means this cable, definitely it is this cable, this. Okay, yes, let's trace the other one on the contactor coil, this one. It is coming from the R3. You see that? Okay, so it means that it is this cable that you are going to use on the R1. Okay, yeah. So it means that you tap from this side, all right? Okay, this side to relay 2, open contact. Okay, so all right, so relay 2, open contact. Okay, the relay 2, it is left with only one side of this contactor, of this relay, but it is plenty, so let's use this one, but this one is empty. They are all the same relay since I parallel them. Okay, they are the same relay, so let's use any empty cable, any empty contact. All right, so you can even start from here, this side. Okay, yeah. At times I want to skip the wiring process, but since you want to also know how to wire it, that is why I've included this one in the video. Though it is a little bit longer, but when you pay attention, you get it so well. Okay, so now that is that. Okay, this one, and then the other side, because it is R2 open contact. Okay, the other side of the R2, let's put a cable there. Oh, sorry, this is the second contact. The second contact. Let's put this cable there. Okay, and then it is going to the other side of that relay 1. This is going to this side. Okay, so the relay 1. Okay, this is the relay 1, right? So this side. Okay, right, so now we have wired them in parallel. Okay, now we are left with this side. All right, so let's locate this cable and tap from here to the R3 close contact. Okay, All right. And then that one will go to R3 close contact. Okay, from here to R3 close contact. This is our R3. Okay. Yes, we have used the contact on this R3. So let's come to this side. Okay. So you can use any, because now we only have just one R3. So you can only use any for simplicity. Okay. So let's use the second one. This is a step-by-step wiring. Just follow the instructions, okay? Follow the procedures. That is how we wire control circuit, okay? In case you forget, you start from somewhere and then you trace. You know the place, okay? So this one, they are all in series. So the other side will come to R1 open contact. So it's a close contact. So we are going to use this side, okay? So it is going to R1 open contact. So let's locate R1. The first R1 is finished. So let's use this one. Okay. Okay, here you can start from anywhere. You are also using only one contact. So you can start from here. Yeah. Okay. All right. And then the other side. Okay, the other side will go to R2 close contact. So let's pick a cable. Okay. This is here. R2 close contact. Okay, let's use a longer cable. Okay, or let's use the same cable. Okay, so going to R2 close contact, all right? So this is the R2. The first one, it is left with only one. But let's come to the second R2, okay? Because I've paired them. So we are also using only one contact. So you can start from anywhere. Let's start from this one, the last one, okay? That is R2 close contact. Okay. And then from the other side of the R2, see that it is also coming to the contactor coil A1 from this side, okay? Let's use a long cable from this side, okay? It is R2 close contact, right? R2 close contact. So this is the other side. So we're going to use the top here. Then to come to contactor coil A1. All right. So this is it, okay? See, now we have our three cables coming onto the contactor coil. I would show you why, okay? The reason being that the R3 from here, it came there. So that is one cable. From the R1 here, also came there. That is another cable. And then from this one, it also came there. That is another cable. So making three. Okay? 1, 2, 3. That is why we have 3 cables on the contactor coil A1. Alright? Now we are going to connect all the neutral cables together. Okay? All the neutral cables, we are going to connect them together. Alright? So this will be our main neutral from the supply. Okay? let me take a main neutral cable from the supply. All right. So this is going to be our main neutral cable from the supply, okay? And then we are going to loop all the neutral cables together. So we are going to start from this side, okay? So the main neutral cable will come to this side. This one will loop to this side, okay? Yes. So this is our main neutral cable, all right? So this is, let's start from R1, okay? Let's start from R1. This is R1, okay? This one will also loop to this one. So let's use this cable. So this one will loop to this one, okay? So this is the main neutral, okay? It came to this one. This one will loop to this one neutral, okay? And let's put another cable there. We are looping all of them together, all right? This one will loop to, okay, to loop to, let's say R2. So this one will take it to R2. Okay. This one will loop it here, okay, to R2. So this is the cable, okay, and then this is the R2. All right, this is the R2. So this one will also loop to this side, okay, on the R2. Then this one will loop to the other side. Okay, to loop to this side, all right? Okay, and then this side we loop to R3. To loop to R3, okay? All right, this is the R3, okay? And this one will loop to this side, okay? So let's put a cable here. Then this one will loop to the K1, okay? To loop to the K1. Okay, the K1 neutral, okay? So that is the neutral, this side, all right? Let's put it there. Okay. So engineers, we are done. Okay. So I'm going to connect a bulb, okay, through one of the contacts on the contactor, like a motor. Okay. If it was a 3-phase motor, you just connect line 1, okay, line 1, line 2, line 3, and then the output of the overload, okay, this side, okay, this side will go to the motor. All right. So now we are going to connect this bulb, all right, yeah, to it and see how it is going to behave. All right. So we are going to tap from here the main line and then to pass through the contactor input here. All right, line 1. We are going to use only this line. Okay. So let's use a cable here. So let's use this cable, okay? Then we tap from the main line, okay? Then if you come to one side of the contactor line, this side, okay, line 1. So let's assume that if it was a 3-phase motor, okay, it is the same way we would have connected the lines, okay. Okay, and then from the overload, this side, okay, we are only using one side because we are using a single phase, because we are using a lamp to indicate the operation, okay. Can continue with this cable. Three by 3 and 2 by 2 matrices, okay, used to design this logics. And then this one will go to one side of the lamp, okay. So the other side of the lamp will be our neutral. And then let's use this green cable. Let's connect it at the other side of the lamp, okay. Then let's connect it to neutral. So we can use the A2 on the contactor, all right. Okay, so engineers, now we are done with the whole wiring, okay. Yeah, we are done with the whole wiring. So we are going to test the circuit and see how it is going to operate, okay. This is our lamp. Let's place the lamp here, all right. So now let me on the main breaker. I've on the main breaker, okay. This is the main breaker, okay. Yes, this is the main breaker, all right. Okay, so now we are going to test the circuit, okay. So I'm going to press on the R1, this one, okay, the start. Let's see. You see that the contactor is energized. Now the bulb is on, okay. So as it's on now means that as the R1 is energized, you see now the two of them have come on because I powered them, making one relay, okay. We are going to press any of the start button, either start 2 or start 3, any of them. Okay, yes, but before that, equally you can use the stop 1 to also de-energize it. Let's see, it is off, so let's energize again. All right, this time I'm going to press on start 2 or start 3. So let me say I'll press on start 3. Okay, let's see. You see that you can still press on the stop 3 to start it, to de-energize it again. The moment it de-energizes, this side will come close again, and then come to flow through to energize this. Let me demonstrate that. I'm going to press on the stop 3. You see that? So it means that we have de-energized the R3. Okay, all the contact on the R3, they've changed their state. So this side has become close back again. So current is flowing through. Okay, so let's go back to our previous state. So now, we are going to energize the R2. Okay, so let me press on start 2. Let's see. You see that as I press on the start 2, all right, you see our contactor is energized. Our motor or our lamp is now working now. The same way I can use stop 1, because I started the motor from start 2. I can use stop 1, okay, to off it like this. So this circuit is very, very important in industrial automation. Okay, so please, if you are new to this channel and then you want to understand industrial automation, typical controls, please, I'll urge you that you subscribe to this channel, okay, by hitting on the subscribe button, and then again you hit on the bell icon. All right, you see options, some options will pop up, all will be at the top, and then you click on the all, so that whatever videos that I will post, you will get a notification. Okay, and also like the video. All right, if you don't understand anything, if you have any question, just put it down, write it down in the comment section. I will answer you. Okay, and then later make sure you share the video to your friends. Okay, so engineers, I'll end here, and then we will meet in the next tutorials. Thank you very much.